So the first phone from CMF by Nothing is in full swing as it's getting closer to the launch. They are teasing their phone and have also sent some tool for the creators, officially announcing that they will be releasing their phone on 8th of July. I don't know what that screwdriver does to the phone, but if I'm not mistaken, this tool is for the screw that we saw in the phone render, which means we can replace the back panel. Well, we will find out more on 8th of July. Regarding the price of the phone, we have received some information. According to the leak, the CMF Phone 1 will have a price of $239 for the 6GB and 128GB model. This price seems reasonable considering what the phone offers. With additional discounts and offers, the CMF Phone 1 is a great choice in that price range. This phone is going to be interesting because it is going to compete in the budget segment with some good specs similar to what Nothing did with their first Phone 1. Similarly, the CMF Phone 1 is rumored to come with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU. The Dimensity 7300 series boasts an octa-core CPU with a 4-ARM Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.5 GHz, working in tandem with 4-ARM Cortex-A55 cores. This powerful configuration built on a 4nm process delivers a 25% reduction in power consumption compared to its predecessor, the Dimensity 7050. The CMF Phone 1 will not have the Glyph interface even though it is a sub-brand of Nothing. CMF is not allowed to use the Glyph interface in their smartphones, so they have came up with a new idea which is both new and weird at the same time. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a rounded volume knob at the bottom right side to control the volume level. This is a new way to attract people's attention. This is not the first time they have used this volume knob. In their newly launched neckband, we can see a similar volume knob. When it comes to the camera, there is a surprise. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a dual 50MP cameras and a 60MP front sensor. This will be the first phone in the budget segment to offer a dual 50MP camera, but the sensor are currently unknown. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33W charging support, running Nothing OS 2.6 on Android 14 like Nothing Phone 2a. Overall, the CMF Phone 1 looks good on paper and we hope to see similar specs and performance in real life. So what do you think of this new CMF Phone 1? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.